I'm happy you asked me this question. So my favorite food will be the Nigerian chicken stew. And for me, I put whatever name I want onto the food because I give it my own Guyanese spin sometime. Here are the ingredients. Here's what you'll need in the first place, and I'll just show you maybe in a minute or two how I go about cooking it my way. Disclaimer, I'm a Guyanese, but I love cooking my Nigerian stew. Today I'm just going to use chicken, but usually you can add fish, you can add beef, you can add whatever you want to it, so you can do that. You need chicken. The amount of chicken depends on how much you want to cook. You need tomatoes. For me, this is the amount I'll cook. So I have some onions, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have other pepper. Now, more pepper, thyme leaf, curry powder, chicken poulet, and some salt. Now here you have all the powdered seasoning used to season my meat, and I also used 1 onion, finely chopped, to add to this chicken, and I will pour it into this pot so it can start cooking. I will just add a tiny bit of water so that it can steam and cook well for a while because I need to go prepare my tomatoes. This is pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and they all go into this blender. When I'm finished, I'll throw them into a pot and let it cook. This is what it looks like all blended in the pot. Now you have to keep observing it because you need all that water to dry out, and that's how you're going to decide that this is finished. You can finish off your stew. The chicken is right here cooking. I'll just keep turning it and make sure that it cooks properly. Here's where we are with the tomatoes and stuff that we blended together. So I think we're getting there. The water is going away, so I just gotta watch it. Make sure that the bottom doesn't burn. And here I am with the chicken. I think that's done. So I'll take them out and put them into a bowl. Be sure not to throw away your stock because you will need this to finish your stew. Here's what my chicken looks like when it's finished cooking, and this is my stock. I'm not going to throw this away. I'll need this to finish my stew. Now I'm going to fry this chicken a little. Here's the oil, and I'm going to add a few pieces of onion just for added flavor to the oil. Now it's time to finish my stew. So here's what I'm going to do. I get my pot again. I'll add some oil. I'm just averaging. This is my chicken when it's finished frying. Here I have some chopped onion. I will also need this tomato paste. Do you remember the chicken stock that we cooked the chicken in? That's it. We need this to finish our stew. Now look at the difference in our tomatoes when it's all boiled down. You see the difference now? So that's how it's finished. Add this finely chopped onion. Stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes. I don't know, just average to your liking. You need some of this tomato paste. I just add to taste. I just average. That's the amount that I'm adding to my stew. I'm gonna mix well. I mix it and then I'll let it cook for a while. Now I will add this to the paste that I have made there. This is what it looks like mixed together and cooking. And at this point I'm satisfied. I want to add my chicken stock. Now you can season to your own taste, but I usually don't add any because the chicken itself has seasoning, salt, everything added. So I'm usually satisfied after I add the stock, and I'll cook it a little, and then I'll just add my chicken. Let me add my chicken at this point and get stirring. And that's it. I let it cook. Once I'm satisfied, I can serve it with food, and the rest I'll put into bowls or containers. I'll keep in the freezer. Next week, same routine again. What I'll be putting away, and I have a special serving. You can have it with rice or pasta, however you like.